At 9:05 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Hounsville, or 8 miles northeast of Lumberton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Half-inch hail and winds in excess of 30 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Tobermory,